Hey guys, today I have a quick little Bulgarian split squat of death to show you. So if you guys really want to hammer your legs, let me give you this here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have a little something to elevate our back foot, and we're gonna have a few different weights. So we're gonna start out, I have a 20, 15, and 10, and you can definitely go higher, whatever you want. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the highest weight. We're gonna get set. From here, we're gonna be going down, and we're going to pause for 8 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to rep out 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then from there, we're going to go down. We're going to pause at the bottom, grabbing our next one down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming back up. We're going to go do another 8 reps. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then from there, we're coming down, grabbing our last small kettlebell, holding for 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Coming back down, body weight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By this time, holy crap, shooting pain, burning. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, that was one leg, and then you go ahead and do the other. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please leave any questions or anything. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next time.